welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply by 25 in your head. Literally, you will not have to go and write down all the multiplication and do it. No, I'm going to be saving you so much time and you're going to be able to do it in your head, and it's super easy. It's probably easier than the multiplying by 11 in your head. So I'm going to get right into it with a video. With an example. So, example 1. 27 times 25. So, the first step is, and I'm going to write out all the steps, but honestly, after 2 or 3 examples, you should not need to. You can definitely do this in your head, okay? So, I'm going to start off by dividing 27 by 4. And we know that the answer is 6 with a remainder of 3. So, since the answer is 6 with a remainder of 3, you're going to write down 6 over here. And basically, this is the rule. And I'm just going to go ahead and write it down. Okay, so I'll write it in a different color because you need to remember this. If the remainder is 0, you're going to be writing, this is just at the end, okay? So at the end, you're going to be writing 0, 0. If the remainder is 1, you write 25. If the remainder is 2, you write 50. And if the remainder is 3, you write 75, and this makes sense because we're multiplying by 25, so these are all going in a 25 multiplicity. So just remember this because this is super important, okay? Please remember that. So yeah. Just based off of this, we're going to go ahead and solve the rest. So there's a remainder of 3, meaning 75 at the end. So our answer is 675. It's really as simple as that. As long as you can remember this, you can solve any question that is asking you to multiply by 25. So I'm going to go ahead to another question, or another example. And for this one, I want you to go ahead and pause and see if you can solve it on your own. All right, so we're going to be doing 16 times 25. Now, as you guys remember, the first step is to divide the non-25 number by 4. And 16 divided by 4 is just 4, right, with no remainder. And if you remember from this chart below, if there is a remainder of 0, or basically no remainder, at the end of the quotient, so at the end of whatever number you get after dividing by 4, you're going to put 0, 0. So the answer is 400. So just like this, it's super simple, but I will do one last example. I'm going to go ahead and do 33 times 25. And of course, please pause the video here and try to solve it yourself. So 33 divided by 4 is our first step. And we all know that that is 8 with a remainder of 1. So you write 8 here. And from this chart, you know that if something is with a remainder of 1, you're going to put 25 at the end. So our answer is 825. And so it's all just super simple like this, and it's a really cool trick to be able to solve any number times 25 super easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure to leave any suggestions you may have below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!